Well, there's an old saying. Sometimes you gotta know when to hold them, and sometimes you gotta know when to fold them. And today, I think, is one of those days where it's just better to walk away, take a little bit of profit, and just be fine with it. We took 2 trades. We tried to get 2 moves. We got break even basically on both trades. This is one of those days where I probably should have just taken the profit instead of trying to get the bigger moves. But also, it's like, hey, you know, do I really want to just take 3 or 4 handles, or do I want to at least look to see if something can happen here? The market just not really giving us the opportunities today. So I'm going to show you some trades from the live stream, and we'll get into it. Before we get into live trades, I want to give you guys this little reminder. I will be flying back to Florida for Thanksgiving tonight. So I'll be back in Florida Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then I'll be back to Hawaii next weekend, and then we'll be live on YouTube at 9:15 a.m. So if you haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Go ahead and subscribe now so that way you're notified when we go live on YouTube. But we'll be back to our regular scheduling next Monday on the 28th. All right, hopefully the market's gonna give us some better opportunities after that as well, after Thanksgiving. Here's the live trades. Taking a long there at the 62s now. Looking for this to push back up. 70s being a target here. There we go, looking good. Can we get going? We got that 70 on the book map here. 70 on the book map for that target. And 75 up there on the book map right now. Can we push? I'm gonna move my stop up here to, let's go 50. We'll keep at the 58s for now. 58 stop, looking for a push to the 70s here from the 62s. 67, 68s, trying to push here. Let's go 70s. Get above that pivot on the ES, the SPY here, and we'll go 70s or higher. Looking at the book map, keeping an eye on that book map as always. You got that 70 liquidity sitting there, 68s right now. Liquidity sitting there as well, so we get through this. Need some volume peeking up here, pricking up. And 68s, there we go, baby. Come on, 70s, we're going. 72s is my target here. Let's see if we can get this break over 70s next. 70 getting tapped. 69s, come on, 70s. Still long, just moving my stop up here to break even. I can't lose, so I'm looking for more. I like to get 7, we'll say even higher than 72s, but I'll put maybe some orders out there at the 72s, looking to get filled there, but even maybe keep a runner on. We're running into that resistance from earlier there at the 70s. So if we get above that resistance, we're right there at that pivot point as well. If we get above that next pivot point, it's all the way up there at 398. So there is room to run here. That pivot right there, that 395.63. If we can get above that, get a candle to close above that, well, then that next pivot's going to be 398.21. So come on, boner candle, it's coming. Oh, she's trying. Almost a boner candle there. Over 66, come on. Let's go. Let's go, baby. God, how am I so good? How am I so good? Boner's looking weak right now. This candle's looking weak. I'm moving my stop up to right below 63 just to guarantee some small profit here. So right now, looking to see if we get a little bit of a pullback here, looking to get long off the 52 level. We can look at the book map and see, got all that liquidity kind of right now at the 55. So thinking we get a little bit more of a pullback here. We got the VWAP up there at the 57s. Can we get a little bit more? I think we can maybe pull back 50s here. Just kind of watching what happens. I'm gonna put an order out here at the 51.50s with a stop, pretty tight stop on it, right below 48.75. See on the book map right now, we got that liquidity coming in there at the 50s, trying to hold us up here. Beautiful. Let's get that push up here, 57s. You got the 60 liquidity stacking up there. Nice little pullback for the entry there. Now we can hold this 48 level. That's why my stop's right there below kind of that 48 there. There's literally just like no orders coming through. You see that? Like there's literally just nothing happening right now. Market's not even moving. More buyer volume. You can see up top there, the little buy volume thingy showing the volume coming in there, trying to push this. Just need more volume. There's just no volume here. We're right there at that SPY VWAP as well. It's a little bit of worried about earlier. Trying to get through here. 55, 56s. Can we go? Can we get through 56 here? We're going 57s. 57s. You see some of that liquidity getting taken away there right now on the bookmap, that 56 level. Trying to take away some of that liquidity there. 56s. Adding it back right now. Going from blue to light to back to green. Pulling back 54s here. The market just not going. Doo-doo-doo-doo. And stopped out. I probably should have taken that 4 handles in profit, but is what it is. I think I might just be done here now. This is exactly what I was worried about, though. That push up, guess what happened? The VWAP denied us on the SPYs. So, dun dun dun. That VWAP literally just dink right to that VWAP getting denied on the SPY, and then there's that pullback now. So, we tried. We were hopeful. We were hoping we were going to get that break above that VWAP and get a push up there, but market just grinding. I can sit here, try to trade longer, maybe try to make some more trades, or just kind of walk away and be done with it. Just walk away and be green, be done. Take the profit, small profit, and just live to fight another day. I'll keep an eye on it, maybe get a trade later on, but right now this is just not really looking too hot. The problem, like, you know, when the market's not really moving, when you're not getting those big moves, the problem is, you know, you're not creating opportunity for yourself because the market's like slowly moving. You might have a bad trade, you might lose money, and then it's like you don't have a lot of opportunity to make that money back. So when the market's not hot, the market's not moving, well, then you got to just kind of scale back. You got to just think like, hey, there might not be another opportunity for me to make back my loss. So I can't really get all crazy and, you know, try to make tons of money if I don't have the opportunities.